Hello and welcome to Physics Basket. So we are going to deal with the current topic, which is on some additional problems on vectors, wherein we are going to deal with PYQs. So let us get started. Okay, so this is the next question that we have. If the angle between two vectors A and B is theta. Okay, so the value of the product of B cross A dot A is equal to 1. So basically, we know B cross A is what? B A sine theta into n cap, right? So what is n cap? N cap is basically a unit vector, right? Unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. So this is A and this is A and this is B. So it should be somewhere something like this, right? So this perpendicular. Now it is telling. So this should be, let it be another vector C, which is B A sin theta as a magnitude and n cap is being its the unit vector along this direction. And then now when C is this particular vector, so C is of course perpendicular to the plane containing B and A. And then C dot A will be what? C dot A will be C A cos theta. Since C is perpendicular to the plane containing B and A, which means C is also perpendicular to A. So theta will be 90 degrees. It means that CA cos theta will be 0. So the answer is 0. So this is the next problem that says that P and Q are the two vectors where the magnitude of P is 12, the magnitude of Q is 5, R is 13, P plus Q is R, and find the angle between P and Q. Okay, so let's say it is P equal to 12, Q equal to 5, P plus Q equal to R, which is nothing but 30. So we get basically by parallelogram law of vector addition, P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta is equal to 13. We have plus theta's so 144 as P is 12 plus 25 plus 60, 120, right? 12 into 5, 120 cos theta is equal to, this is square root, right? This square root, so this will be also, this will be 13. Okay, so now I remove the square root, so it becomes 169, right? Which means that 120 cos theta is equal to 0 because this plus this is 169, so it is 0. So theta is equal to 90. Right. So 90 degrees is what? Pi by 2. So pi by 2 should be our answer. Okay, so this is the next question that is with us. It says that A plus B, there are three vectors A, B, and C, and A plus B plus C is equal to 0. And mod of A is equal to mod of B, which means that magnitude of both these vectors are same, and magnitude of C is equal to root 2 of A. Okay, so find the angle between the three vectors. So let us assume A equal to B equal to say smaller. Okay, so since we have A plus B plus C equal to 0, which means that A plus B equal to minus C. So if I destroy both sides, it will be A plus B square equal to C square, right? Nothing but A square plus B square plus B. Let us assume theta is the angle between A and B. So theta is between A and B. So in that case, the sum of A and B is A square plus B square over 2AB cos theta square root, but square here it's square, so it will be square root will be removed, and then it is equal to C square. So since we know A and B is equal to A, we have assumed, and C will be equal to root 2 of A, right? Because it is given. So in that case, we will say A square plus A square plus 2 A square cos theta is equal to 2. It is C square, right? So it will be 2 A square. So 2A square, 2A square is cut. So 2A square cos theta is equal to 0. So this means cos theta is 0. So theta is coming to be 90 degree, or theta is equal to 5. So this is one thing. So this is angle between A and B. So between A and B, it will be 90 degree, right? Now this we found one thing, so this is fine. Now we need to find out the angle between A and C, or B and C. So again, coming back to the original equation, you can do that. So since we know again A plus B is C, A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So let's take B on the other side. So A plus C is equal to minus B. Okay. So let's do the same thing basically. So if the angle between A and C is alpha, let us assume it is alpha between A and C. So in this case, the square both sides. So A square plus C square to AC cos theta is equal to B square. We know A is equal to A square and C is equal to C is root 2A, right? So it will be 2A square plus 2A into root 2A cos alpha. This cos alpha uh, is equal to B square. B square is what? A square, right? B square is A square again. So with that, let us cancel out the other sides and we'll get 2A square plus 2 root 2A square cos alpha is equal to 0. A square cancel out, 2 to cancel out. So cos alpha is coming out to be minus 1 by root. Is it correct? So it is 1 plus root 2 cos alpha is 0, or cos alpha is minus 1 by root 2. So 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So in this case, yeah, it will be 135 degrees. So alpha comes out to be 35 degrees. And in a similar way, when we try for angle between, select the angle between B and C, the beta. So we can find out similar way. So B plus C is minus A, plus C become minus A. And it will come out to be same because B is also A and C is again root 2A. So we get a similar kind of equation, just think as it will be beta. So we get cos beta is equal to minus 1 by root 2, which means that beta equal to 134. So let us check the option. So we got first option is 90 degree and the other is 97. So this is the option. So this is the correct option.